in figure, M1 is 5 kg and M2 is 2 kg and F is 1 Newton. Find acceleration of either block. Describe the motion of M1 if string breaks but F continues to act. Okay, so first we have to solve the first part, find acceleration of either block. So what are the different forces? So this is not an incline, so this one is comparatively simpler question. So if we have, suppose this one is tension T, so here we will have tension T, and these are the two forces. Apart from this we will have weight. Apart from these forces we will have M2G here and we will have M1G here. So these are the also two forces acting. Okay, so now we can write the equation. No need to split the vector, no need to take the axis. Simple question. So which one is heavier mass? See, M1 is heavier, so M1 will go down and M2 will go up. Since M1 is heavier, 5 kg, the M1 may go down and M2 will go up. So we can take acceleration as A. So for M1, if we write equation for M1, so since it is coming down, we can write F plus M1G minus T equal to M1A. Okay, this is equation 1 for the first object. Similarly, for second object, if we say this is going up, so tension will be larger. So first we write the tension minus force F, that is downward, and then M2G is downward, that will be equal to M2A. Okay, now we have to find acceleration. So best way to do is add the two equations. If you add, tension will get cancelled and you will be left with F will also get cancelled. We will have only M1G minus M2G equal to A M1 plus M2. So acceleration will be G M1 minus M2 divided by M1 plus M2, and if you put the values you are going to get 10, and M1 is 5 minus 2 divided by 5 plus 2, so that is 30 by 7 meter per second square. So this much will be the acceleration. Okay, so that was easy one. Now it says describe the motion of the M1 if a string breaks. If a string breaks, what happens after breaking of a string? The tension will cease to act. After breaking, the tension becomes 0. After breaking, T becomes 0. If tension becomes 0, so what are the forces on M1? So only two forces, that is M1G and F. So M1G down plus F down. Okay, so these two, the net force will be equal to acceleration M1A. So A will be equal to how much? M1G plus F by M1, or we can say that G plus F by M1. So this will be the acceleration. G is 10. How much is F? That is 1 Newton. 1 Newton. And what is the mass? 5 kg, M1, 5 kg. So that will be equal to 10.2 meter per second square. So this will be the acceleration after string breaks for M1. This is for M1. We are asked acceleration of M1.